Pry and take out the air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the two fixing screws of the original car monitor. Press the LVDS plug buckle on the back of the original car's monitor, and take out the LVDS cable. Remove the four fixing screws of the panel with the T20 screwdriver, and then pull out the connecting plug. Pry and take out the panel, and take out the 5 connectors on the back of the panel. Then set the panel. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the two fixing screws of the original car host. Pull the host outwards, and take out the host. Then pinch the buckle of the harness and pull it back. Then take out the power harness. Use tweezers to press the small buckle on the original harness. Take out the 2-pin green optical fiber cable connected to the Linux harness. Please pay attention to the correct position. Wrap the unused plugs with tape, and place the exposed cable in the void space below or the side the original car host. Note: the back of the host has a small space, and the cable cannot be placed. Connect the Linux harness to the male connector of the original harness, and press the buckle firmly. Connect the male connector of the Linux harness to original host. Connect the 2-pin green optical fiber cable to the Linux harness. Please pay attention to the correct position. Install the original host back to its position. Lock and fix the original host with a T20 screwdriver. Connect the 5 connectors on the back of the panel, and install the panel back in place. Thread the plug end of the USB connection cable through the passenger armrest compartment to the interface on the back of the Linux big screen panel. Connect Linux harness to the back of Linux device. Connect the original LVDS cable to the Linux device. Install weld the Linux device to the original car, and fix it with a T20 screwdriver. Restore the connection plugs on the back of the air conditioner panel, and put the air conditioner panel back in place. Start the car and check that the Linux device is functioning properly.